Hello everyone, I'm Rishita. Namaskar. Today I want to share my experience learning Assamese with Mr. Chiranjit Borderloy. I've been learning Assamese for the past 1 year, and I started with level 1 and now I'm at level 4. One thing that's interesting in the course are the activities because they help me to learn Assamese in a fun and easy way, and also our teacher is very fun and makes the class very interactive. And before I started learning Assamese, I could only speak, but now I can speak, read, and write. And not only that, but I'm more confident and less hesitant. And with the webpage learning, the course material gives you lots of options to practice at our own pace and in our own way. And so now it makes me really excited when I can read short stories, and now I can proudly read the book written by my grandfather. Thank you.